Greetings of the day. If you are planning for a year, sow rice. If you are planning for a decade, plant trees. If you are planning for a lifetime, educate people. Today, when I reflect my journey as a teacher, I am filled with deep sense of gratitude for experiences, challenges and relationships that have shaped my career. My journey began in 1997 as a commerce teacher, and it's been the 2 decades of teaching, learning, and growing alongside my students and colleagues. Teaching this subject required not just a deep understanding of the concept, but the ability to engage the students in teaching learning process. As with any profession, the early years were challenging, but the real challenge was finding the ways to connect with the students. The word teaching has been replaced to word learning. The purpose of accountancy is not to teach the basic concept, but to make them financially literate and prepare them for the future. Over the years of rapid pace of education, reforms, adapting to new technologies, and meeting the ever-changing needs of the students tested my adaptability. But each obstacle taught me valuable lessons, innovations, and the importance of staying learner myself. One of the most rewarding aspects of my journey has been the relationships I have built with my students. Teaching is not just about imparting knowledge, it's about shaping individuals. The connection between a teacher and their students is unique. Over the years, I have had the privilege of watching many of my students grow into confident, successful individuals. I cherish their success deeply, no matter how small, is the most meaningful reward for me as a teacher. Equally important are the relationships that I have formed with the management, principal, and fellow teachers. From the vast experience of teaching learning, I want to share that the students should possess the following skills. They should have project based learning, job centric skills along with education. They should be emotionally intelligent, technology literate, global awareness, entrepreneurial mindset, and long life learning. In closing, my journey as a teacher has been one of immense growth both personally and professionally. The classroom has been my second home, a place where I have experienced not just challenges but hard work, but also joy, inspiration, and countless meaningful moments. As I look into the future, I remain committed to learning, evolving, and doing my best to support my students. Thank you. Have a nice day.